Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. This is my brother Bacon, Dylan, and my mom.
Hi, and what's your name?
Logan.
Welcome to Simply Made Fancy, and the boys and I are making a dinosaur garden this year. So my name is Ruth Angelina, and we're going to make our little dinosaur garden for this year because we usually do a fairy garden or a secret garden, but this year they wanted to do dinosaurs. So I have our existing pots that we're going to be using. We got some dinosaurs. We have clay because we're going to make some footprints, right? Of the dinosaurs. And some flowers. We got these fake rubber flowers and plant life from Michael's. They were on sale. I got 50% off, so I got a bunch so that we can make our little habitat for our dinosaurs, right? So here we go, guys. Let's put it together. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. So I got these planters from plants that we had last year, and I saved them up. And then I just got styrofoam to put down so that we can make our little habitat on top. And you can pick this up at like a Home Depot. I got it at a dollar store, and this is what we're going to use to cover and to create like that grass and floor for the dinosaurs to live in. Alright, so you see, guys, now we got our stuff over here. Alright, so here we go. We got our bowls. What did we do, guys?
We glued it.
We glued our like kind of fake grass, our terrain, and now we're gonna start putting our plants. And since it's boys with the scissor, and since it's styrofoam, we can just stick it through, so we don't have to worry about them falling or having to glue it. Okay. Isn't this the cutest little thing?
I made a tunnel so the bears.
Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna start like getting some of the clay out.
Now this dinosaur is here. Put that bubble right here.
And if you don't have clay, you could use Play-Doh probably, right?
Mommy, look at this.
Oh
wow,
he's flying there. And please make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other videos.
Bye.